I made the same four mistake before I reached 12,000 subscribers, and they slowed my YouTube growth for months. The worst part, I don't even realize I was making them. So let me save you for making the same mistake. So let's get started. Mistake number one. Posting every day just to please the algorithm is one of the biggest myth on YouTube. Is that you have to upload YouTube video every single day. No, you don't have to do that. Uploading video does not automatically grow your channel. YouTube does not reward creators who upload the most. It rewards videos that people actually click on and keep watching. Mistake number two. Buying expensive gear too early. This is one of the biggest mistake creators make. They spend thousands of dollars on cameras, microphone, lighting and software before they have proven people actually enjoying their content. If I started YouTube again today, I'd use my phone. That's it. People don't leave because your video is not in 4K. They leave because the beginning didn't grab their attention. Here's what to do instead. Spend your time on creating stronger ideas, learn how to write better titles, make thumbnails, improve your storytelling, upgrade your content first, upgrade your gear later. Mistake number three. Chasing views instead of the progress. This mindset quietly kills motivation. Creators think if this video only get 500 views, I fail. If someone getting 5 lakh views, they have made it. That's the wrong way to measure success. Viewers are the outcomes. The real question are, did people click? Did they keep watching? This video perform better than my last one? And one more thing. Never compare your day one with someone else who have spent it already 8 years. You are comparing completely different from the beginning, from the hype journey. Here is what to do instead. Compete with yourself. Make every upload slighter better than the last one. This is how real growth happens. Mistake number four. Relying only on ad revenue or sponsorship. A lot of creators think that YouTube income start with ads or sponsorship. And the truth is, when you just getting started, neither is under your control. Ad revenue changes. Sponsorship does not appear overnight. If your entire motivation depend on income sources, you will lose motivation every time your viewer drops. Here is what to do instead. Think long term, build trust first. As your audience grow, you can add affiliate link, digital products, memberships, or your own services. Let's talk about AI. Don't be afraid of it. Use it for research faster than your videos. Improve your script. Brainstorm your thumbnail ideas. Save hours every week. But don't use AI to copy other creators for mass produced recycled content. YouTube wants original content. Use AI as your assistant, never as your replacement. So these are the 4 biggest mistakes stopping you to grow your YouTube channel in 2026. And tell me your current subscribe count. I will read your comment and help you to solve the problem if you are facing right now. So thank you for watching the videos.